Hi, in front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on, and click on one of the available devices. I want to connect to this one, so when I click, I need to select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept connection request. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!